today. And so now we're going to do the digestive system. Okay? Pumping, pumping, pumping. Like I said, off the bat, you would see this, which is the greater omentum. This is the greater omentum. Yes, my good friend Chelsea. And so this is the greater curvature of the stomach. Isn't that coolio? Okay, bing, bing, bing. And then this would be the lesser omentum. Okay, attaching the lesser curvature of the stomach to the liver. And you could see the corded lobe of the liver right there. Do you see it? So there's the lesser omentum. Right? This one.
Oh, it's little.
It's little. That's why it's lesser. This one is greater because it's really great. Okay? And so the lesser curvature is going to be here too. Okay, so the lesser curvature, and then the greater curvature, and then the greater omentum. Okay, so the regions of the stomach, while we're at it, so there is the fundus up here, you see? Kind of big. This one was full of food. You see, when they killed it, there's a lot of food in there. You see that? So there is the fundus, and the rest of it is the body. And then as it gets thicker, because the pyloric region is thicker, you see? So this right here would be the pyloric region. You see what I'm saying? Pyloric region. So the pyloric antrum and then the canal. And then obviously you could feel it right here. So there will be the pyloric sphincter over here. And then the cardiac sphincter is going to be over here. You understand? Okay. So we got the fundus, the body, the pyloric region. Okay. Lesser omentum, lesser curvature, greater omentum. Okay. So let's do the lobes of the liver while we are at it, because we can't ignore it. So these are some of the falciform ligaments and stuff like that attach like the peritoneal ligaments that attach one organ to another organ, like attaching the liver to the diaphragm over here, and the linorenal will attach the spleen ligament. These are peritoneal ligaments like mesentery as well. Will attach the spleen to the kidney. Okay, and we'll do that in the lecture again. Okay, I'm just letting you know. Okay, so let's do the lobes of the liver. So this is the left. Are you okay? She dropped. Did you drop? So this did you drop? It's a polite way of saying fall. This is the left median lobe.
Oh, yes, because I was looking at the
Yeah, left median lobe, left lateral lobe. You see, the left lateral lobe is even bigger than the. And then the one with the, that includes the gallbladder here, would be the right, all of this is right median lobe. You see what I'm saying? Right median lobe. And then the lateral lobe on the right, you have to really go all the way to what's love got to do with it, all the way down here. You see all these two lobes here, this is the right lateral lobe. You understand? Do you see how it's got this sort of renal sort of flexure to accommodate the kidney, which is, this is the right kidney. You see that? Do you see that, how it cups it like that? Looky here. So this is the right lateral lobe, okay? Being, yeah. And this here, you see the biliary apparatus I was talking about? And this, if they take them green, you would really see them nicely. Do you see? There's the gallbladder, and there's the cystic duct right here. And then there's the common hepatic duct. This is the first cut we've actually seen this in, okay? You guys, Maria, and them come, you should look at this. And this right here would be the corded lobe, the fifth one. Do you understand? So we've got the left lateral lobe, left median lobe, 2, right median lobe, 3, right lateral lobe, 4, and the corded lobe, 5. You understand? Okay, we're done with that. And then we got lucky. We got real lucky. We saw the biliary apparatus here. Do you see that? You see all that? All this? Yeah. And then you could even see the left side and the right side, the hepatic and the common hepatic, okay, and stuff like that. Isn't that coolio? And we did the regions of the stomach, and then we said this is the pyloric sphincter, which regulates gastric emptying. There's the cardiac sphincter over here, which regulates gastric filling. Are we flashing? We're recording. And then immediately out of the stomach would be the duodenum. See, we do the apron, we skirt it up like that. You see what I'm saying? So there's the duodenum, and like I said, looky here. This is the pancreas. All of this, you see, if I point over here, you know it's the duodenum, right? Because look here, the pancreas, 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 all the way to the other side until you run out of breath. You see what I'm saying? All of this nodular organ is this pancreas. And it's all this, you see, it's all pancreas. So this is the duodenum. Do you understand? And it's close to the stomach as well. We can't see it because we just put the greater omentum on top of the stomach. And then, of course, this is the spleen, right? You know, there's the tail of the pancreas. Okay? So if I point here, you see pancreas. If I point here, you say pancreas. If I point here, you say pancreas. If I point here, you say pancreas. It's all this is pancreas, 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 pancreas. Okay? Yeah. And there's the duodenum.
Where's the spleen?
Oh my God, what is this spleen? The spleen is right here. But the spleen belongs to the lymphatic system, correct?
Yeah.
But we can't ignore it because it's right there. We have to talk about it, but we know it belongs to the, even though I'm going to ask it in the digestive exam, we know it's the lymphatic system, okay? All right, my good friends? Excellent. So, and then what did I say about anywhere in the middle? It's going to be the jejunum, right? Are you getting it, my good friends?
Yeah.
So, if I point anywhere here or anywhere there, anywhere jejunum, okay? So then we have to look for the large intestine now, being, oh my God, look here, isn't this so good? This is definitely a pregnant female, okay? So there's the ovaries right there, and there's this is the cat litter is growing in there. We got lucky this time, we got a pregnant female, you know? You normally do, because you wouldn't see the fallopian tubes like this, and there's the uterus. But nothing grows in the uterus. So duodenum, you see, as long as you can see the pancreas, but then we go here to get to the ileum, looky here, being like that. So there is the ileum. So I'll put the tag for the ileum like right there, close to the cecum. See, this little pocket is the cecum. Do you see no appendix? There's no appendix because the cat doesn't have an appendix. You see what I'm saying? So remember I said I drew the human over there? And I also drew the cat liver over there. The human one is on the side. Okay. So there is the cecum, first part of the large intestine. There's no appendix. And the, it is right here. If you see the small pipe next to the big pipe, you know that small pipe is got to be the ileum. And I'll make it like that, yeah. Because the small intestine, right? And this is the large intestine. So the larger is bigger diameter, okay?
So
And
when's the exam for this one?
this one, I'm going to try have it scheduled in the lab.
You're gone?
No. It's scheduled on the next lab. So that's when I'm trying to have it. Yeah.
Well,
And
it's
during
gonna be
the-
Monday again.
No, because I'm traveling.
Next Monday you're leaving?
Yeah, because it's the no.
No, that's in 2 weeks. Because you said you were here already. He wants to
Because
leave
I'm
us
going to
already.
Miami. I'm going to Miami. Okay. So no, of course. I wish I could take you guys, but I can't. Okay. But yeah, I don't know. We'll do it on Monday. We'll do it on Monday. So you know what we'll do? We'll start the circulatory system while I'm here on that day, and then we save it. So on Monday before I leave, we do the deal. Yeah. That's what we do.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, we digress. Okay, so ileum. So there is the ileocecal junction, correct? Because this is the cecum. So guess what this is? Ascending colon. Thanks, James. Ascending colon, bing, bam, bing, bam, bing, bam, bing. And what about this one going across? What is that?
Which one?
This one. Transverse colon, yeah. Transverse colon. So it's like an inverted U like this. So ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon. Isn't that cool? You see what I'm saying? Okay, we go back again. We start here with the small intestine. The terminal part of the small intestine is the ileum, which is the longest, in fact, because it's about 3.2 meters. And then the jejunum, which is anywhere in the middle, is 2.5 meters. And then the duodenum over here would be about 25 centimeters, okay? And that will be in an unembalmed cadaver, or because in the human, because of the tension of the muscles, it's shorter. But if when you die and the muscles go loose like this, but if you embalm it, it becomes tight again. So unembalmed, that's when it's like 3 point something meters. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to tell you. Okay, so ileum, terminal part of the small intestine, and then the first part of the cecum, and then the ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and then over here is the rectum. There's no sigmoid colon. Okay, there's the rectum, and then the anal canal, right deep in there. See this? The thing ends here.
So are we gonna have to name the human and the cat one?
No. You name the cat because the cat is what I'll be picturing. The human, as long as you know the human, like I drew it over there. But in the exam, we have the cat. We have a picture of the cat in there. So you have to say it as the cat name is. This is why I drew it for you. Do you understand, my good friends?
Yeah.
Yeah. So don't just call this the left lobe. No. Call it the left median lobe. It's the cat. Okay. And they call this the right median lobe. It's the cat. This is the gallbladder. This organ is the gallbladder. Yeah. So there's the gallbladder right there. The little, it's kind of picking out from the, you always see it. This is why I said, when you see this, you know these are all right side stuff. And then if this is the right, then by default it's going to be the left. You understand? So no matter if you're looking at the cat like this or any which way, as long as you see the gallbladder, you know that's the right side.
Yeah.
Because for this, I'll need you to say right, left, right, left. You see what I'm saying? Okay, so there's the deal, and that's it right there. Descending colon, and then rectum, anal canal, anus outside. Okay, and the rectum is over here. You see how the descending colon ends up out here?
Yeah.
And then there's the rectum. Do you see it?
Yeah.
See it? You see it? You see how different texture from this?
Yeah.
It becomes kind of nice. You know what I'm saying? So there's the rectum, and there's the descending colon, there's the transverse colon, and there's the ascending colon, and there's the cecum, and there's the ileum, and there's the mesentery. Look here with the yellow. It looks like a flower.
Yeah, it looks like a tree.
Flores,
Yeah.
right? Flores. I'm learning Spanish. So so there's the mesentery. So if I put a tag over here, then you just say mesentery. Okay? Okay, and great omentum, yes, and the spleen, which is part of the lymphatic system, but we do it there. The pancreas,
Where's the lesser omentum?
the lesser omentum is this one,
Yeah, it's just
because it's lesser. The lesser omentum attaches the lesser curvature of the stomach to the liver. Okay, very good. So there is that, and that's it for the digestive system. Okay, those are things I'm gonna ask. So the three organs, don't forget gallbladder, and then the spleen, which is lymphatic, but we do it, then the pancreas. And then the pancreas is, this is pancreas, okay?
Okay.
And then those are the three organs that are coming. And then of course there's the mesentery here, and then the jejunum, and then I love this cat, the way it looks, man, it's really good. Sometimes these intestines, they don't come out nicely. So there's the ileum, and then there's the cecum. The ileocecal junction is right there, or ileocecal valve, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon. Okay, my good friends, and then rectum, anal canal, and anus outside. Okay, so can you switch it off now?